I know the air I'm breathing.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jodie Paul. If you are new here, feel most welcome. In today's video, we are just going to prepare dinner and do some few dishes on the sink. So stick around as we prepare our dinner. We are going to prepare chapati with some potato stews. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed and you're watching this video, please subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up so that the video can be spread to many people or recommended to many people so that the channel can grow. So thank you so much for sticking around. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much, and to my premier gang, nawapenda sana sana sana. Let's start with prepping the ingredients. Today's ingredient will just be onion and tomatoes. You are adding nothing more. Those are the things you are going to use. There's no spices in this house.
Myself, oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady. I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so
Let's clear some few dishes in the sink before we start our cooking.
slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. I'm always self-destructive. I take a hit, I love it. Can you give me a second? I'm slow, got blurry vision. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady. I've lost a million times already. I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy. My heart feels heavy. I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. Please help me see the things that I am. I don't understand. I'm doing the best that I can right now, but it's never enough. I'm not even ready to slow down. Just slow down. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow.
I'll start with prepping our stew. Meanwhile, as the stew will be boiling, I'll be prepping our dough. Today we are not making a lot of chapatis. We are just making roughly around 12 to 15.
I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season. I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady. I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy. My heart feels heavy. I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. I'm always self-destructive. I take a hit, I love it. Can you give me a second? I'm slow, got blurry vision. I fall into a trap that I made.
I've never used this flour to 10. This is my first time actually going to use it. I'm used to a jab. And they say once a cook is a cook, or a chef is a chef. So let's cross fingers and see the outcome.
I don't understand. I'm doing the best that I can right now, but it's never enough. I'm not even ready to slow down. Just slow down. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. I don't know why you left me bleeding. With a broken heart, tell me if I deserve this feeling. I thought that you know that we had something special till you end up all this way. Please tell me why you left me bleeding. With a broken heart, tell me why I deserve this feeling. I thought that you loved me, I thought that you need me till you end up all this way. Have you forgot all the moments while we had was so true? This world was made for two. I did it Feelings change and love can go, but tell me why are you so cold? What did I wrong? What was the fault? Or what you say is I don't know. Feelings change and love can go, but tell me why are you so cold? What did I wrong? What was the fault? I thought that you loved me, I thought that you need me till you end up all this way. Have you forgot all the moments while we had was so true? if I deserve this feeling. I thought that you know that we had something special till you end up all this way. Please tell me when you left me bleeding. With a broken heart, tell me why I deserve this feeling. I thought that you loved me, I thought that you need me till you end up all this way. Have you forgot all the moments while we were so true? This world was made for two. I did it
We also had this milk that we wanted to boil for tomorrow's breakfast. If you've watched this video until this moment, thank you so much for your support. And if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and like the video so that it can be recommended to many people. So let's meet in another video.
Feelings change and love can go, but tell me why are you so cold? What did I wrong? What was the fault? Or what you say is I don't know. Feelings change.